What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Out here on a muggy ass Georgia Saturday. It's been storming and it is like a blanket of humidity. But anyway, I just wanted to do a little update on everybody's favorite old Lexus. The 2006 LS430 that belongs to my mother. I was walking around it earlier today and I noticed that she has bummed up the new bumper, and that is beyond skin deep. It is very deep into the plastic. I don't know what she did, but I'm just assuming it has to do with the curb. I got a little rock chip there I need to touch up. I picked up a little bottle of official Lexus paint. I think it's called Ivory White. But yeah, she's doing good. We got a new set of tires on her. Yokohama's new set of tires. And of course the timing belt. Water pump service was done at about 92K. I mean, she's not perfect, but she's in pretty good condition for an 06. I've had so many people reach out to me about this car. They want to buy it. They want to buy it. They want to buy it. Not for sale. Sorry, guys. But if you've ever seen the videos of the 2015 Lexus GX460 that my aunt has, that's black. It only has like, gosh, 7, 8, I can't remember how many thousand miles. She was actually, Mercedes dealership in Atlanta reached out to her and offered her $40,000 for it. She's thinking about selling it. It's a beautiful car. It still has the plastic on a lot of the interior pieces. Let's see. What have we got? I think we got a few service reminders. Time for an oil change. Let's see, 97,662. 97,002 miles. So yes, we are ready for an oil change. That is based off of a 3,000 mile service interval. So, you know, 3 to 5K, somewhere in there. We'll go do a little test drive. It's been a couple of months, I think. Pulled right out in front of somebody. This is my house, by the way. I live right across the street from my mother. Just moved here. There's the old Infinity. Yeah, I just moved in last weekend. I need to do a house tour sometime, but today's not today. Let me run in here and grab something, and then we will go for a ride. Oh, it's rolling 0 to 60. All right. Smooth as silk. Thought I'd run up here and get you guys. I don't know if I've ever done any freeway footage on this, so I thought I'd run up here and shoot down the interstate and exit, get a little freeway clip. I know I did the other 06 LS430 that we had a couple of years ago that had about 140 something thousand miles on it. That car ended up selling and going to Dubai. The gentleman we sold it to, that's where he ended up taking that car. That was a good car. It just had no nav, so it sucked. for that reason, just because no backup camera, no Mark Levinson. But man, it ran and drove just as good as this car. And it also had fairly new struts on it, which I think this car needs. The right front one, I believe, is blown when you hit a large bump, like I did a minute ago going across the bridge. It literally sounds like you're hitting a rock. It makes just a pow, pop, pow, pop, pow. I mean, just sounds terrible. And then if you're going slow speeds, going over small, minor bumps, you can hear it knocking around up there. But on this smooth, asphalt at 65, it's just as composed as always. So, list of things, gosh, the car has had new front and rear brakes. Rear brakes are probably the most recent. The new Yokohama tires, time and melt water pump at 92K. And then, of course, there was the incident with the tree, where the tree fell on the front of the car going down a 2-lane curvy road. Had to replace the front bumper, couple of lights, these side mirrors that power fold and are also $780 a piece. But they replaced the radiator, the air conditioning condenser, and all related hoses and lines just for liability reasons. They were not ruptured or broken, but they had bark on or around them, so they did it for just better safe than sorry, So the car has had a lot of just recent upkeep, maintenance, replacement parts, and man, it's good to go for a long haul now. We're gonna hit the interstate. Can't beat an LS430 for highway ride. Can you hear that front strut over there kind of clunking? Man, gotta get that taken care of. But yeah, these things are just whisper quiet. I mean, I'm running 85 miles an hour, and it is just so smooth and quiet. And this, this car's over 15 years old. It's the A6 wagon I had that I recently sold was probably the closest thing as far as smoothness and quiet on the freeway. This Infiniti I got now, there's no way. That V6 growls and snarls, and it's a 5-speed automatic, and at about 80-85 it's turning about 3,300 RPM. It's high, it's a little more high strung. It really needs a 6th gear. front strut. Kaboom. Guys, comment, subscribe, hit the like button. If you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, put me in the algorithm so my videos come around. I'm going to start trying to do some Copart walkarounds and Thursday morning auction drives of cars coming up for auction at Friday. I can drive them around the parking lot and check them out. That's where I found the 2007 Lexus that had 414,000 miles, if anybody saw that video a couple of months back. But yeah, so guys that have asked about the LS, here it is. She's still doing good, you know, slowly accumulating miles. But man, she is just a champ. Y'all have a great day, and I'll attach a little walk around of the car running here at the end. Y'all have a good one. Peace.